Can you change the video voice in NotebookLM? Yes, you can change the voice style in NotebookLM, but with some limitations. Right now, NotebookLM's built-in audio overview feature does not give full advanced voice customization like changing accents, cloning voices, adjusting emotions, using celebrity style voices. The voices are mostly preset AI podcast style narrators. But here's how you can actually change the voice for your Notebook LM videos. So you have to use external AI voice tools. The first thing you need to do to accomplish that is to first generate a script. So here you can see my conversation with the Notebook LM, and then I asked it to explain it. And once it was done with the explanation, I then asked it to turn it into a script. So all you need to do now is just simply copy the voiceover script here, and then simply use your Google search to simply search for platforms like 11 Labs that offer AI voiceovers. So you could just search for 11 Labs and then click on generate AI voiceovers. And now all you need to do is simply take the script from here and then paste it in here using one of their voices. A platform like 11 Lab would let you change the gender, the accent, the tone, the emotion, the realism by just simply using a prompt. It's actually that good. So you could just simply use the 11 Labs AI voice generator, and then once you're done, once you've generated the audio, just simply download it and then make use of a video editor like the CapCut software you can download from the Microsoft Store. You could simply use an editor like that to simply replace the audio clip you're going to be getting from NotebookLM. All right, guys.